welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. First of all, I'm really sorry if my voice is not good because right now the weather is changing. It's not actually changing, it totally changed already. It's so cold, see? And also I'm right now making this video in the middle of the night because I'm not sleepy. And during the daytime, I don't have the time to sit down somewhere to make the video, like for the shoot about the video. So that's why I'm making it in the middle of the time. Because of my work schedule these days, I don't have much time to make it in the daytime. So yeah, I hope my voice will be not so much problematic for this video. So and also I hope you guys have enjoyed my last video, liked my last video. What was my last video? Wait, I checked. My last video was about from where to start for going to Korea, like it's a bachelor's or master's or what it is. So I hope it was a helpful video for you guys. And also I hope you guys have enjoyed the shots I have posted. It was the Jin's concert, which was a really small, like a short one, like a 15 seconds one. And again, the Jin concert, the real sound, because I didn't edit any sound there. I directly put the whole video so you can enjoy the real sound. And the Halloween day in Korea, how I celebrated. Today's video gonna be about how to write the LOR, letter of recommendation. Normally, I guess these days the letter of recommendations are written by the professors itself. I don't know about, but when I was, my professor actually asked me to write down and he checked and then he confirmed it, but I'm not sure. Let's talk in detail. And also about the PS, personal statement, and then the why you wanna come to Korea, like personal statement and what was that? And yeah, statement of purpose, SOP, PS and SOP. And the first thing actually I would like to say, a lot of you have asked me by personal DM that Di, आपको क्या job मिली है, आपको क्या job मिली है? So I don't want to reply about that, I'm sorry. But if you guys do follow me in my Instagram ID, and it's how it looks like. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys maybe got some hint about that, but honestly, I don't want to say anything about it right now. I mean, let it be a little bit more. I will share in detail. So as usual, as before I start my video, like ritual, I wanna introduce a good snack from Korea, which is this one, korebap. Yeah, this one. This name is korebap. Korebap, because you see, these snacks comes with the sea animal shape. Right now I'm hungry, so I thought why not to eat some fruit salad. But then I thought it's really cold here. I don't want to use my hand to washing it, like it's cold. So I thought let's just eat directly. मेरे पेट उसको सैलेड बना देगी अंदर जाने के बाद. So मैं directly I'm eating this one. Salad बाद में पेट में जाके बन जाएगी. And see this one. This is how I really work in the middle of the night or whenever I get chance to edit my videos. So now I hope you guys understood that how I make my videos. I mean, it's a little bit insane. I mean, I could not resist myself from without listening the music. मुझे गाना चाहिए ही चाहिए होता है. लाइक मैं जितना भी प्रेशर में होती हूँ मुझे गाना चाहिए होता है. मोस्टली दिस काइंड ऑफ गाना. मुझे सॉफ्ट गाना पसंद नहीं है व्हेन आई एम इनटू स्ट्रेस्ड. मुझे बहुत धमाकेदार गाना पसंद होता है जब मैं स्ट्रेस में होती हूँ. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज. एंड ऑल्सो oh yeah, let's start. So let's start with the LOR, letter of recommendation. Okay, so when you're applying for any university, it's not about only Korea, it's any country, you need to have one letter of recommendation. Normally it's written by the professors, but when I came, my professor asked me to write it down how it's supposed to be written into, because my professor has never done this before me, like no one asked him. So मेरे प्रोफेसर ने मुझे पूछा था कि मैं लिख दूँ अपने लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन फ्रॉम हिज पर्सपेक्टिव. सो ही विल चेक एंड देन ही गोना जस्टिफाई, एंड उसको फिर एडिट करना पड़ेगा तो वो खुद से करके उसको सब ठीक ठाक करके वो मुझको दे देगी. सो आई राइट डाउन माई ओन लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन एंड ही लाइक्ड इट. उसको बहुत पसंद आया. एंड ऑल्सो आई वांट टू थैंक one of the dada from my university. He helped me a lot to get my professor's recommendation, because first of all he really denied to give me that, but after requesting a lot and through that dada, like he was maybe close to that professor, and my professor was also the head of the department, so of course it took me a little time to get his attention. And thanks to that dada as well, Because of him, I didn't only receive the signature from my HOD, like head of the department. I also received the signature from my principal, like principal of my university. So I wanna thankful to the Dada about that. So I really feel so thankful for that. एंड सो कैसे लिखना है लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन. सो ऑफकोर्स आपके प्रोफेसर अगर आपको पूछते हैं लिखने के लिए, सो do write it from your perspective. No, do write it from the professor's perspective. Like, think yourself as a professor, like if your professor asks you to do that, and if the professor is gonna do it by himself or herself, of course don't take the stress, but please ask professor to of course mention about your performance during the class and during the whole semester or during the whole period of your bachelor's or the master's or your high school. How was your behavior towards any activity you have like participated? So there, how was your participation? Every single detail, please ask him to mention those, because the principal, the professors or the admission authority gonna check out about this too, like how much active you were and how was your behavior during your last program. So ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है जो आपको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा या फिर आपके प्रोफेसर को बोलना पड़ेगा तो मेंशन करने के लिए. सो दिस इज हाउ यू सपोज टू राइट एन LOR. So coming to the next is PS, personal statement. So how to write the personal statement? Of course, you're gonna start with your name. You have to be like who you are, where are you from, which was your last program you have studied, your university name, your country also, what was your department, what is the detail about your like what you have studied. Like if for me, if you have studied like finance or accounting, what kind of subjects you have studied for the all time, like in every semester, you know, like finance सब सारे semester में पढ़ती हो, पर beside the finance subject also बहुत सारे और भी subjects होते हैं. like मेरे लिए मैंने auditing पढ़ी थी, mathematics, cost, then taxation, इकोनॉमिक्स, बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स भी मेरे थे. तो वो वाले डिटेल भी आपको देना है, कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स आपने पढ़े हैं, आपने क्या समझा है वो सब्जेक्ट, लाइक आपके पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है फ्रॉम दैट पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट. और ऑल्सो लाइक इफ़ यू हैव एनी वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, एनी काइंड ऑफ वॉलंटियरिंग एक्सपीरियंस, पार्ट टाइम, इंटर्नशिप, लाइक कुछ भी, अगर आपने लाइक बिजनेस भी की हुई हो आपके फैमिली के साथ, तो जितना भी टाइम के लिए फैमिली के साथ आपने बिजनेस की हुई है, आपने उससे क्या जाना है, आपका लाइक इंटरेस्ट क्या थे ड्यूरिंग द बिजनेस, और ऑल्सो आपने क्या समझा है ड्यूरिंग द टाइम, वो भी यूज करना, इन्फॉर्म करना उन लोगों को कि बिकॉज दे वांट टू नो यू, बिकॉज they could not see you in front of them, right? So the paper is the one which is like representing you in front of them. So mention as much you can about you, but कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं लिख देना, like कुछ पॉलिश्ड वर्ड यूज़ करना, क्योंकि यू नो इन कोरिया ऑफ कोर्स इंग्लिश इज़ नॉट द मेन लैंग्वेज. सो दैट्स वाई अगर आप लोग थोड़ा सा पॉलिश्ड इंग्लिश यूज़ करते हो कुछ वर्ड, सो इट्स ऑल्सो मेक्स अ वेरी गुड इम्प्रेशन ऑन दोज एडमिशन अथॉरिटी, लाइक oh, she knows or he knows English very well. So this is the fact that you can like impress them with a little bit of polished English. So this is what is the trick, one of the trick I would say about the PS, personal statement of yours. And the very last point is, so basically, statement of purpose. Statement of purpose. आप क्यों यहाँ पे आना चाह रहे हो? Why you wanna come here? So यहाँ पे you have to mention about what makes you interest. Like, what makes you interest? No. Why you have the interest in Korea? Like, what makes you to get so much interest in Korea? Like what? You have to mention the first thing. Of course, everyone mentioned about the culture, K-drama, K-pop. I would say you can focus mostly on the culture, not too much K-pop, K-drama, because you know, K-pop, K-drama is so much overhyped these days, so much overhyped. So everyone mentioned, so please try to focus on the culture mostly, because Korean लोगों को ना अपने culture को लेके बहुत गर्व होते हैं. Like वो इस बात का बहुत, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वो बहुत like they feel so proud that they don't know English. They don't care, and they're proud to not to know the English well. Instead, they know Korean, their own language, better. So you have to like praise their culture. Like बहुत कुछ बताओ उनको कि आप कितना जानते हो कोरियन कल्चर के बारे में, आप कितना क्लोजली जानते हो. If you have ever experienced about the culture, like got any chance, if you had, like where, how, those kind of details, and then like of course also the university you're gonna apply about why that university of course, and then why that particular department, like आपको वही department क्यों पढ़नी है. I mean of course if you're coming from like a engineering background आप business तो पढ़ने नहीं वाले हो, like you can, but if you want then you have to make a connection. Like if you're coming from a finance background and now you're gonna study about the accounting, you have to make a connection how you can make a connection between these two, and why you suddenly want to change from finance to accounting or engineering to the business. Like why you have to make a connection, and why that exact university, and how, and if somehow they accept you, how you can be a very beneficial student for them. ये वाला दरवाज़ा बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है मुझे, बट इट्स ओके, आप लोग डिस्ट्रैक्टेड मत हो जाना, मुझ पे फोकस करो. So you have to tell them, like convince them like why they should select you. So ये एक पॉइंट भी है, आपको ये बताना होगा उन लोगों को कि क्यों वो आपको ले ले. लाइक कोई ज़बरदस्ती तो है नहीं, उन लोगों के पास बहुत सारे और भी कंट्रीज, लाइक बहुत सारे डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से बहुत अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं, तो वो आपको ही क्यों देखें, वो एक पॉइंट बहुत अच्छे से मेंशन करना पड़ेगा. एंड देन ग्रेजुएशन के बाद आपका मोटिव क्या है, आप रहने वाले हो या फिर चले आने वाले हो. माई सजेशन विल बी प्लीज डोंट मेंशन दैट आप चले आने वाले हो, लाइक यू विल बी कम बैक, डोंट मेंशन दैट. क्योंकि अगर आप आने ही वाले हो तो वो लोग आपको क्यों ले, वो आपको हायर ही क्यों करें अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ाई करवाने के लिए, isn't it? Is there loss? So it's better not to mention that way. I mean if you have plans, so please keep it up on you. You don't have to share. I mean सब कुछ हर वक्त बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं होते है ना, कुछ अपने पास भी रख दो. So and as I was saying, like after mentioning about your graduation plan to them also, you need to mention a little bit, like not a briefly but a little bit about your graduation, after graduation plan. Words ऐसा नहीं sound करना चाहिए कि it sounds like maybe you are not sure yet, आप बस बोल रहे हो, ऐसा sound नहीं करना चाहिए. बट इतना साउंड करवाइए, लाइक जितना भी आप बोलो उतना साउंड करवाओ कि वो लोग आपको सुन सके. लाइक इवन दो यू आर नॉट देयर, इट्स लाइक योर लेटर इज लिटरली स्पीकिंग फॉर यू. So be confident whatever you are writing about you. So yeah, that's all the points I would love to share with you guys about. But still, if you have like, actually this is all I mentioned so far. Like I mean जो बीत गया वो बीत गया, मैं पुरानी चीज़ देखती नहीं हूँ. So I just like let those things go. So अगर आपको लगे कि मुझे और भी कुछ बताना चाहिए तो प्लीज़ मुझे बोलना. So I will try my best to make those one more video, and please let me know by the comment section. And of course, as always guys, thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. I really like how you guys always like appreciate me, like Didi, I really like the way you make, and I really love the way you make the funny gestures and everything. Thank you so much. Like a kiss for everyone. Thank you so much for make my days after I post my videos. I really appreciate all of your comments. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's all for today's video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे so please सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, and do like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, families who are preparing to come to Korea. And yeah, don't forget to comment below about if you have question, or even if you don't have a question, just leave what's exactly going in your life. Let's have a chat. Comment section में कोई chat भी करता है? ना, it will be so lame. No. Yeah, आज के लिए बस इतना ही था, and that's all for today's video. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. If you have liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.